5 Most Expensive Pet Birds in the World. Number 1. Hyacinth Macaw. Price up to approximately Rs 34 lakhs. Hyacinth Macaw are often fondly called the gentle giants of the parrot world, for their huge size and gentle nature. They are the largest flying parrot species and one of the most stunning too. Their vibrant cobalt-blue feathers and powerful beak add to the overall beauty of these highly intelligent birds. Hyacinth macaw are native to South America, however, they are endangered birds, which makes them incredibly rare and expensive. They also have specific care needs like need for lots of space, a specialized diet, and human companionship. Despite their exuberant cost, Hyacinth macaws are popular among wealthy pet lovers. Number 2. Palm Cockatoo. Price up to Rs 17 lakhs. The Palm Cockatoo are one of the most striking birds. Their smoky black feathers, bright red cheek patches, and a unique mohawk-like crest makes them look unique. These birds are native to New Guinea and Australia, and they are known for their drumming behavior. They tap sticks against trees to communicate. These birds have solitary nature, and they are quite difficult to breed too. This makes handling them a challenge even for experienced bird owners. Number 3. Toucan. Priced between Rs 8 to 13 lakhs. Toucans are known for their iconic colorful bills and playful personality, which makes them look exotic. Their cost depends on the species, with keel-billed and toko toucans being among the most expensive. These birds require a specialized diet which is rich in fruits. They also need ample space to hop and glide. All of this makes them high-maintenance birds. Apart from this, toucans are highly intelligent and curious. They love to interact, which can also make them quite noisy and messy. Their vibrant appearance and rarity are what makes them such highly priced birds. Number 4. African Grey Parrot. Price up to Rs 10 lakhs. One of the most intelligent pet birds, African grey parrots are known for their exceptional talking ability. With their calm grey feathers and piercing eyes, they may not look beautiful, but their minds are extraordinary too. Some African greys can learn over 1,000 words and even understand context, thus making them great companions for humans. They require mental stimulation, emotional bonding, and a consistent routine to stay happy and healthy. These birds can live up to 40 to 60 years and so should be owned only by dedicated pet parents. Number 5. Major Mitchell's Cockatoo. Priced between Rs 8 to 10 lakhs. Also known as the pink cockatoo, Major Mitchell's Cockatoo is admired for its soft pastel pink and white feathers and flamboyant crest. They are native to Australia, and they are known to be more delicate and emotional than other cockatoos, often forming strong bonds with their humans. And so, they require a lot of attention and stimulation to stay happy and healthy, else they are prone to getting depressed. Breeding them in captivity is difficult, which adds to their rarity and high price.